Hi friends, it's Miss Danielle from the library. I'm so happy you're able to join us today for this week's episode of Curbside Crafts. Now, can you guess what this week's theme is? That's right, you guessed it. This week's theme is dinosaurs. So I'm going to read a couple of dinosaur stories, and then I'll go over all the dinosaur crafts that you got in this week's kit from the library. All right, I'm first going to read you some fun facts about dinosaurs in this nonfiction book called Fly Guy Presents Dinosaurs by Ted Arnold. Dinosaurs were reptiles. Reptiles are covered in scales. Other reptiles include crocodiles, lizards, and turtles. Dinosaurs are also closely related to birds. That is because of how their leg bones join to their hips. All dinosaurs had scales, but some even had feathers, like birds. Baby dinosaurs hatched from eggs. Some eggs were as big as footballs. Others were small. Most dinosaur eggs were laid in nests on the ground. Dinosaurs survived on Earth for a long time. So, were they super smart? They were good hunters and defenders, but most dinosaurs were no smarter than cats or dogs. Scientists believe that most dinosaurs had small brains. Stegosaurus had a small brain the size of a walnut. Fossils are the remains of something that existed long ago. They can be in rocks that formed over many years. Other fossils include dinosaur bones. Scientists have learned a lot about dinosaurs by uncovering fossils. Did you know that fossilized dinosaur poop is called caprolite? A paleontologist is a scientist who studies the history of life on Earth. Paleontologists go on special trips called digs to look for dinosaur bones. When they find bones, they rebuild the skeleton. Each bone is dug up and then it is cleaned. Next, the scientists put the bones together like a very hard puzzle. Putting a dinosaur skeleton together is tricky. The end. Cookiesaurus Rex by Amy Fellner-Domney and Nate Evans. Hey, down here! I'm Cookiesaurus Rex, the king of all cookies, so you should frost me first. Oh, I like the green. Green is great. Sprinkles? I don't have any sprinkles. Hey, where are you going with those shiny stars? Flour gets a gumdrop nose and I don't? That stinks. Wait one stinkin' stompin' minute. Why do they get all the good stuff? I'm Cookiesaurus Rex, and all I have is gloppy green frosting and the stupid hat. Do-over, I want a do-over. Please? Dinos don't have to say please. Dinos say roar and grrr, and I'll eat you one toe at a time. Okay, here we go. This is going to be good. I'm big. I'm bad. I'm a ballerina? This isn't funny. Not even a little. Not even an eensy-weensy tiny cookie crumb of funny. You have to start over, because I say so, and no messing around this time. No, 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 no. I want sprinkles. I want gumdrops. I want chocolate chips. I've had it. Give me that frosting. It's my turn. Oh, that's cold. Brr. Goosebumps on my tail. Drum roll, please. I'm Super Cookie. What are you doing? Wait, no. Ha ha, I'm quacking up. Grr, just you wait. Hi-ya! No one messes with the gingerbread dino. Hey, quit clowning around. You are very tricky. But I have tricks too, because I'm one smart cookie. Oh, that's heavy. Pointy sparkle. Owie, ouch, ouch. Whoops, tickle spot. Just a little more. Ta-da! Told you I was the king of all cookies. Now who's laughing, smarty pants? And I've used all the decorations, so you can't do anything about it. Why are you looking at me like that? Wait one stinkin' stompin' minute. What are you doing? Wait, no! Oh, yuck! Grrr. Well, he took a licking. That was spit-tacular. The end. Wow, look at all the cool stuff that came in our kit. Let's go over everything. So first you're gonna get this little put together dinosaur. And it's going to look like this. So you just have to take the pieces and pop them out and then put it together. The pieces come out and just go right in, just like that. You can color this if you have any markers at home, or if you've taken out a Curbside craft kit before and you have the markers left over, you can certainly use those. And you can decorate it however you'd like. Next, you're going to get either one of these ceramic dinosaurs. Yours is going to be either this one, or this one, but these are all the possible choices you have. And you're also going to get a paintbrush and 3 colors of paint. Now, you can mix these primary colors to make the color you want. So if I wanted to make green, I could mix some blue and some yellow, okay? And next you're going to get this super cute little keychain that you could put on your backpack. And this you can color in with any markers you have from home, or like I said, if you had taken a Curbside craft kit out before and you have the markers left over, you can decorate it with those too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun and learned some cool facts about dinosaurs. Now be sure to check out our YouTube channel for our other storytime and craft videos, and also be sure to check out our website for all of our upcoming children's virtual programs. We have a lot of cool stuff coming up. Now before I go back to work, let me put my mask on. All right, I'm all set. I miss you everyone, and I hope to see you soon. Have a fantastic day. Bye.